Well, the rumors are true. Amazon made a microwave, specifically the Amazon Basics microwave. It's a $60 700-watt microwave, which Amazon tells us is the best-selling size on Amazon.com, and it's going to be one that you can connect with Alexa. Now, it doesn't have Alexa actually built in. There's no speaker inside of this microwave, so you'll need a dedicated Alexa device like the Echo or Echo Dot or Echo Show in your kitchen in order to talk to the microwave and tell it to cook things. You can say, cook 1 potato, and it'll automatically put the correct time for a potato. You can say, cook popcorn, and it'll do the same thing. It also has dash replenishment built in, so if you run out of popcorn, it can order more. Now, the thing that really makes this microwave tick is the Alexa Connect Kit chipset. It's a new chip that developers can use to smarten up existing appliances. You can just put this chip into your microwave or whatever appliance or device you have and give it Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, all of that within Amazon's protocols and encrypted to Amazon standards. So this chipset's really just an affordable way to get more devices on board the Alexa platform, and this microwave is sort of a showcase for that. It's kind of proving the point that you can take an ordinary old appliance, add this chipset in, and make it an Alexa-enabled appliance with a lot of appeal. We'll see if that appeal translates to sales. If people buy this microwave en masse, maybe we'll see a flood of new Alexa-enabled appliances with this chipset inside. Time will tell once the microwave starts shipping to customers this November. We'll get one into the CNET smart home, test it out, and let you know how it cooks up.